mourning the loss of his servant and lifelong companion right now. Yet here you are. There is nowhere safe!
Oh, and just in case either of you were thinking you're really smart, try to remove the heart at your end. Kaboom! It's stiff on the walls than a house made of hamburger. How's that for a helpful impact?
Don't move!
Maybe you shouldn't move. Oh, good lord.
Careful, Jim. When that chair goes off, that's 2,000 volts. You won't make it.
You don't need to.
Jim. Have a seat, Jimbo. We'll fry together like two little potato latkes.
I got a pulse.
I'm gonna jumpstart your heart.
Kill you again! May you find the peace in death that you did not find in life.
I'm not looking for peace. I can use my shock gloves to temporarily stop Harold's heart. It's my only hope.
I mean, how do I come up with this stuff?
You cannot run!
I think Batman's actually trying to kill. The man at extreme. He is on a roll.
Accept your end!
Watch out for the kill train.
Run for your life! I'm disappointed. I expected better from you. Don't move!
Maybe you shouldn't move. I can use my shock gloves to temporarily stop Bane's heart. It's my only hope.
Better hurry, Bats. That heart ain't gonna stop beating on its own.
Rise to the challenge!
Good for your heart. Stopping accidentally. Oh, Bats.
is over, Joker. Let Captain Gordon go.
Yeah, put the gun down, freak.
How about I put you down?
Gordon!
Well, that's the Christmas spirit. Well, I'd love to stay and celebrate your victory, but I've got stockings to stuff, mistletoe to hang, and about 15 skyscrapers to blow up before sunrise. Ciao!
Thank God you had your vest on.
He's got my gun! Gordon, Joseph, I need your help to stop the Joker.
Our help? You're the so-called vigilante. Or is one kill enough for you tonight?
Bane's in cardiopulmonary arrest. I have only minutes to resuscitate him before it's too late.
You mean you didn't?
That's not how I do things. Now go. Come on.
You leave me no choice, Mr. Wayne.
Alfred, what do we know about TN1, the compound I found in Bane's lab?
I'll start looking into it now, sir. Sir, Bane has taken an injection of TN1. You have 10 minutes before it reaches its full potency. After that, if he gets a hold of you, he'll kill you.
They're trying to kill each other.
Bullock, Gordon, you read me? You okay?
Harvey, I need you to secure every exit out of Blackgate. Sewers, front doors, I don't care. The Joker cannot escape.
We're on it.
TN1 takes full effect. Use those electrified doors to your advantage.
Gordon. We got the place secure. Any update?
I'm with the warden. I think the Joker's heading to death row.
We got the place surrounded. No way he gets out.
You better be damn sure about that.
If he can't finish paying off soon, that TN1 will make him undefeatable.
I have to use the environment.
Everybody seeing this? Get off! You must fight! Everybody see it?
I have to stay out of sight and attack from cover.
You're running out of time, Master Bruce.
He's got a pop!
This is Captain James Gordon in Blackgate Prison. The Joker has us pinned down in death row, requesting reinforcements. Repeat, this is Captain Gordon requesting reinforcements. Pinned down in death row in Blackgate.
Joker has Gordon pinned down in death row. I need to hurry. I need to be stealthy if I'm going to win this fight.
Master Bruce, the TN1 has almost reached full potency. You must hurry.
He is gone, Batman. Because of you.
Alfred, what do we know about TN1, the compound I found in Bane's lab?
I'll start looking into it now, sir. Master Bruce, if you can't defeat Bane within 10 minutes, the TN1 he just injected will reach its full potency, and he'll take you out in one hit.
Bullet to Gordon, you read me? You okay? All right. I need you to secure every exit out of Blackgate. Sewers, front doors, I don't care. The Joker cannot escape. We're on him.
He's gonna rip him in two.
Get off!
Bullet to Gordon, we got the place secure. Any update? I'm with the warden. I think the Joker's heading to death row. We got the place surrounded. No way he can get out. You better be damn sure about that.
saw your face. Get off! You must fight!
Sir, you have only minutes before the TN1 takes full effect. Use those electrified doors to your advantage.
Batman! You defend again? No more hiding in the vent, Batman!
Sir, it appears the jamming mechanism has been activated. It would be wise to deactivate it immediately.
This is Captain James Gordon in Blackgate Prison. The Joker has us pinned down in death row. Requesting reinforcements. Repeat, this is Captain Gordon requesting reinforcements. Pinned down on death row in Blackgate.
Joker has Gordon pinned down in death row. I need to hurry. It's over, Alfred. I've defeated Bane.
Master Bruce? Master Bruce, are you all right?
Boston, find Batman!
Hold on with that.
Master Bruce!
Yes. Where's Gordon?
Sniper!
Would you locals back for more?
I've had enough for one night.
Not yet, you haven't.
Son of a bitch!
Screw this! Want the Joker? Take him.
Help me keep these guys off the warden.
Ewing!
Get a rest already! Give me your best shot. Had a rough childhood.
Joseph, they're on their way. You're going to make it. Where's the Joker?
He went through that door.
Towards the chapel. Thanks.
Oh, that's... it's so... What a night! Fresh off the kill, and back for more, eh?
Bane's still alive.
Now that's not funny. All this... Is all this for you, or for me? You just can't get it through your thick skull. We both exist because of them!
Give up! You've lost!
Oh, gotta say, I thought you'd have more fight in you. A lot more fight. All this... Is all this for you, or for me? You must know I'm a boss. You just can't get it through your thick skull. We both exist because of them!
Give up! You've lost!
Why you do it, isn't it? You like the way it feels. It's what you need! Come on, baby. Beat me till your knuckles bleed. Why quit there? You know there's only one way to stop me!
Any one of my guys would have killed him.
The city deserves better than that.
You know, my daughter thinks you're a hero. But I still have to bring you in.
Gordon, come in. What's your 20?
I'm in the chapel. We got the Joker.
Son of a bitch. You caught him. And how did you do that?
I had some help. I keep asking myself why I didn't bring him in. And I now know the truth is I let him go because of you. Because you believe in him. I don't know. They put me in charge of a station full of rotten cops. And I can't change them. Any more than I can change this damn city. Or at least, that's what I used to think.
Stopped his heart. That is funny. Good one, Bats. Oh, This is going to be fun!
Maybe I can give them something to believe in. Maybe he can give them something to believe in.
Figured you'd be by sooner or later. And what happens if I don't sign?
You rot in here, or you work for me.
It's been a long night, Alfred. Why don't you turn in?
Wouldn't dream of it, sir. Not until you're back safe and sound.
Well, if you're sure you're up for it, I've got a few loose ends to tie up out here, and I could use your help.
You can count on it. And when you get home, we can finally have that Christmas dinner I've been keeping warm for you for our breakfast.
Sir, a moment of your time.
What do you want?
There's something about this Enigma fellow that doesn't sit right with me. Unfettered access to resources, an extensive network spread across the city. Whoever he is, the man has connections and capital.
We can use that to our advantage. If he's buying things in bulk or using lots of power, we could track him.
Perhaps, but he's also clearly a technical wizard. He's likely covered his tracks.
Keep searching. He only has to slip up once to give us an opening.
Certainly, sir.
Need anything, Alfred?
Only for you to stay safe.